do some trading now. We got Scott Bauer joining us from Prosper Trading Academy. He's the CEO. Scott, so Nike, it's a little bit of a tough one here because it looks very much alone as a consumer apparel stock near its highs. But we've heard here for the last 2 days, there's a lot of good reasons for it.
It is a tough one, Oliver, and like I sent over, it is a crapshoot on this earnings. And Michael really made a lot of great points here. There's a lot of headwinds. There's a lot of tailwinds for this stock here. They've done an incredible job with their online platform, with their online sales. But then you look at, some of the headwinds in terms of the reopening, getting shut down, in China, what's happening here, their contracts with professional sports, with the NBA, the delay there, is the NBA going to actually pick up? But then you have all those positives of, bottom line, they are the leader. They are the brand leader. And like Michael said, they continue to beat every single quarter. So what I love about this uncertainty and what I love about this being a crapshoot is the added volatility that, is priced into the expected move and is priced into the options here.
Okay, so what do you use that for then? Do you want to sell a call spread out? Do you want to have some maneuverability, bet on a big swing? What's the strategy?
So I want to sell both a call spread and a put spread. There is big.
Knew there was going to be a selling of a call spread in there.
Right? There is big time support in this stock around 93, 93 and a half, where the 50 and the 200-day moving averages come together. There's also big resistance around the 105, 105 and a half area. I want to play that range. So regardless of what happens on the earnings print here, I want to play that range. So I'm selling. These are next week options, not expiring tomorrow, but next Thursday. The 95-93 put spread, also selling the 104-106 call spread, Oliver. I can collect about $1.10, maybe even $1.15 for that. No matter what happens to Nike, even if there's a blowout number one way or the other, this spread can never get more than $2. So I know what my risk is. I'm completely risk defined, but I'm taking advantage of a massive amount of volatility, major premium, and the fact that I think that Nike's going to continue to trade in this range that it's been trading in.
Okay, so range bound for Nike, you're looking to collect the premium right now. Scott, the risk point here is just a big explosive move for the stock?
Right, either direction. So my break even on this next Thursday at expiration on the downside would be about 93.80, 93.85. On the upside, about 105.10. If it goes beyond that on either side there, I know what my risk is. I'm capped out. But again, there's, from a technical standpoint, major reason why the stock could stay within that range.
All right. I think it's an interesting perspective here, and we will keep in mind, I think you put it very succinctly and very well here, a total crapshoot with respect to China. All right, rolling the dice, but the trade, not so much. All right.
Exactly.
Appreciate it, Scott Bauer, as always. Prosper Trading
Oliver.
Academy.